It is Sunday, July 17th, and that means it is Disneyland's 67th birthday. So what better way to start off the vlog with a little update on what's currently happening at the downtown Disney employee parking area slash everybody's favorite shortcut to get inside downtown Disney from the parking garage. All right, so sneaking through here, let's get to these bars. Oh my god, look at it, it's all tore up. So, no word what's gonna happen. Apparently it's just maintenance because the trees, the roots just tore up. You know how it goes. Get a better view here in a second from atop the walkway. So it is now fenced off. You can no longer take the shortcut. It's the 67th anniversary, so the birthday party, they got a little, I don't know, a little something going on at noon at the castle, and it's currently about 10 o'clock right now. That's about it. That's all I'm really here to see what the buzz is all about. In the past they usually do something bigger, but I don't know, 67 is not really one of those numbers, I guess. So I know it's gonna be packed. There's probably gonna be a ton of other YouTube personalities and celebrities here. There's one dude, he's gonna ride the train 67 times. Adventures in Design. And I'm sure all the other usual suspects will be here. Let's see who we can find. And if that wasn't enough excitement, it's also National Ice Cream Day. So I think I'm gonna have to partake with that at some point. Even though right now it's a little overcast, a little muggy. I should probably clear up though. So speaking of walking by Salt and Straw, I already got that waffle cone smell. They're not even open yet. So unless they've got some of that Disney magic pumping out somewhere, or they've already started the waffle cone making. Smells delicious. World Disney, they got the photo sign. There's a little photo pass opportunity there at the World of Disney exit. Esplanade. Oh man, they're not. It seems like they're not letting anybody inside at the moment. It's just all backed up. Darn. I was really trying to get here at rope drop. I know I saw some other pictures. Some people posted the cast members were lined up on Main Street, you know, waving at everybody as you walked in. It wasn't so bad. It's always like a 5-minute wait. It always just seems like it takes forever. But I'm inside, made it, and you can hear Disneyland Band. So that's the Disneyland Band over there at the Main Street station, and then looks like, according to the daily schedule, they're going to be over there at the Castle Promenade in just a few moments. So I'm just going to head over there early, watch them come down Main Street, and then after that, just stick around for the birthday celebration.
Practically perfect in every way, those two. Mind me, man, if you haven't met me, chums now, have you? So here we radio company, time and again. Darkest spinners and winners of sorts. I would agree these dollars are sports. But cream of the crop, tip of the top, it's Mary Poppins. Mary. Ain't it a glorious day? Right as the morning in May. I feel like I could fly. Have you ever seen the breath or a bluer sky? Oh, it's a jolly holiday with Mary. Mary makes your heart so light. When the day is gray and ordinary, Mary makes the sun shine bright. Oh, happiness is blooming all around her. The daffodils are smiling at the door. When Mary holds your hand, you feel so good. Your heart starts beating like a big brass band. It's a jolly holiday with Mary. No wonder that it's Mary that we love.
There's the Pearly Band with Bert and Mary, and I really don't remember seeing these topiaries, swan topiaries outside of the castle. Just remember the Red Trolley opened up at DCA, so might have to go ride that. I saw some pics. There's actually a little bit of a hype to get over in DCA and go on that, so maybe later I'll do that. And yeah, you can tell the sun has come out officially and it's pretty dang hot right now. I kind of want to put on more sunscreen, but I don't have any, so I might call it an early day. Band coming in the backside. All right, so they're gonna go down Main Street, down to Main Street Station. Let's go try to catch up with them. It's just a sea of people. Oh my God.
I was going that way.
Oh, okay, let's get through here. Let's go find them. I feel like the biggest Disney otaku trying to track down the parade. right, now let's try to make our way to the Main Street station. I feel like I'm in the parade, just following along. I think it's kind of more crowded over here than it was at the castle. I don't know if I can be able to get a space. Dang, there's like nowhere to squeeze in. I had better. I didn't have to wait that long at the castle, and then that was perfect. You can't even see the characters from over here. There's just so many people.
Now we want all of you to sing along with us. So here are the lyrics. Turn on your lights. The magic, watch the stories come to life. This is a celebration. Every color shines so bright.
Right here in town square and welcome all to this happy place. And with that, we'd like to welcome you all to sing happy birthday with us today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Disneyland. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, wow, that's really cool. Man, it is just like so hot. The sun is just like beaming down in your face, and everybody's just got their cameras up. I don't even know if any of that's gonna come out here at the Main Street station. So I'm really glad that I was at the castle there, which barely even had to wait that long. That's amazing. Never thought I would be right there in the front. I'm gonna go probably hop over to DCA now, get on that Red Trolley, and get a frozen treats. Before I go, I'm gonna go see if the guy is on the ride for 67 times. See what number he's at. There's the fresh baked.
All right, I've had a lot of old friends join me today, but I want to meet some new friends. You are?
My name's
It's my bud. Oh, click us off for 44.
Yes, 44.
44. Thanks,
Good.
thanks,
Take it easy,
bud.
man.
Have a good one.
You too. Take it easy.
Happy birthday.
Nice to meet you. Take care. So nerdy, but okay. So I just did that. I'm gonna head over to DCA, but I just did one Grand Circle tour on the Disneyland Railroad with the Adventures in Design. He's that was number 44. I got to do his clicker for number 44, so I'm sure he's gonna put out a video. I don't know if I'll make the cut, but yeah, I'll be on there. That's awesome. All right, so DCA, let's gonna see what's going on here for 67th, and then I'm gonna cut through to the GCH Craftsmens Grill. I think they got some sweets over there, so get a little bite, and then don't think I forgot about that ice cream. All right, DCA. I don't even see the red trolley. It must be around here somewhere. Let's try to find that red trolley.
Never saw things going so right. Noticing the days are in fire. Later in love, my mile and fire. Blue days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on.
It's out. I just spoke with the cast members, so it is currently not running. It is down. Having a little first day difficulty, I guess. So it might not be working, but it's still nice that they got it out. Really adds to the ambiance of Buena Vista Street. You know, like pulls it together. I don't even know if Carthay Circle. Oh, there's Carthay. Okay. Cool. It's so hard to film stuff when the sun is just so glaring down. Like I can't even tell if I'm getting anything or not. Never know until reviewing it later. So I'm not gonna spend too much time here in DCA. Just gonna cut across into the Grand Californian, see the suites. Probably already said that, but just gonna restate what I'm gonna do. All right, there's a few suites. Oh jeez. Mickey. It's a donut, I believe. There's the cupcake. Okay, I had to. Geez, $8 for this thing. $7.75 after tax and all that good stuff. Just popping over into the Grand Californian. They got a few things. Mostly gone. That's all that's left. All right, so there is the 67th birthday cupcake. I walked over to Disneyland Hotel just because nice and shady and a little bit of quiet. And this looks like it's just pure frosting. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty huge. I don't know how much I'm going to eat. If I'm still planning to get ice cream, but I know what's going to happen is I'm going to eat this and then I'm going to be too full. So, but it's Disneyland's birthday, so we're going to have to just go for the cupcake. I'm not even sure how you eat this. It's really hard to get out of this container, and it's just pure frosting. Frosting everywhere. That's the aftermath. It's just pure frosting. It's just basic like cake, confetti, funfetti. Look, it even got like all on the ground. Even Duffy even got some. Poor guy. I totally regret getting this. It was not worth $8. I never really buy sweets, and like this bakery kind at least, and this is probably why. Ugh. But if Baby was here, she would have loved it because it was just pure frosting, pure sugar. not for me. So happy birthday, Disneyland. All right, I feel bad. The frosting just smeared all over the trash can, so I'm gonna go get some napkins and wipe it. There it is, proof. I wiped it up. I came back. That'll do it for the vlog. I am pooped. Disneyland, happy birthday. 67 years. You're looking great. So I will see you in the next vlog. I'm not sure when the next visit is. Maybe take some time off, I don't know. I gotta get ready for Baby and Mama to come back. Can't keep gallivanting here around Disneyland every weekend. Actually gotta do some things. Unless something crazy happens, yeah, I'm not sure I'll be back here. So, or if there's some another important Disney milestone, that's probably, I don't know. I don't know. So see you, bye-bye, pony pony. At the top of the Pixar and Pixar and Friends. friends, Pixar Pal friends parking structure. You can see all that construction that I showed earlier. So there's the walkway. So you used to be able to go through the parking area here, but it's all constructioned off. All right, so for reals, bye bye, Puni Puni. See you next time, whenever that is. Bye.